Imagine a world where deals execute themselves, no middlemen, no delays, just pure automation. Welcome to the world of smart contracts and Web3, the backbone of a truly decentralized future. But how do they work? And what's their real impact? Stay with me as we break it all down. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts where terms are written in code. Unlike traditional contracts, they don't require intermediaries. Everything is automated based on predefined conditions. You buy a digital asset, and the transfer happens instantly once the payment is confirmed. No banks, no paperwork, just trustless automation. Written in blockchain-based programming languages like Solidity, stored on blockchain networks like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Solana. Automatically execute when conditions are met, removing human error and fraud. The concept of smart contracts was first proposed in 1994 by Nick Szabo, before blockchain even existed. Web3 is the decentralized internet powered by blockchain. Unlike Web 2, where companies control user data, Web 3 gives users ownership of their data and digital identity. Decentralized apps, or dApps, are replacing traditional apps. Users control their own data and digital assets. Payments and transactions are powered by cryptocurrency. Companies like Meta, Twitter, and Google are now exploring Web 3 to stay ahead of the curve. Finance instant, trustless transactions on DeFi platforms like Uniswap and Aave, healthcare secure, tamper-proof medical records, NFTs and digital ownership. Artists can sell digital art with full control over royalties. Governance and voting tamper-proof elections through blockchain-based voting systems. Web 3 is projected to be a $1 trillion industry by 2030. Imagine a world where legal contracts, supply chains, and even social media run autonomously, where you own your digital life without relying on big corporations. That's the future Web 3 is building. Do you think Web 3 will replace today's internet? Let's discuss in the comments. If you found this insightful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share. More mind-blowing tech insights coming soon, so hit the bell icon to stay updated.